Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, this week I got to step on the step foot on the Snap-on truck. Actually, it was last week. Dang, it was Friday. So I got to step foot on the Snap-on truck, and of course I didn't leave empty-handed. Y'all come on along with me, and I'm gonna show you a few of the things I picked up. So I guess y'all could start calling this the stripper show. I mean, I have featured, this will be the third pair of wire strippers that I've shown in the past couple weeks, and I've got more. I mean, got these Milwaukees to show you. But anyway, step foot on the Snap-on truck. The local guy, he's a pretty good guy. I appreciate him. Every now and then I'll pick up something here and there. But strap on these wire strippers, the PWC S7 ACFs, upside down. There you go. Very nice looking set. They're made in the USA. They have a lifetime warranty. Nice little deal. I only picked up 3 things. I got me these strippers, and I bought me 2 pair of socks. The socks, you can laugh all you want. My little brother gave me a pair for Christmas about 3 years ago, and they're one of those things that I look forward to when I can wear those socks again. So they're so comfortable, and they're still going strong. And well, hold on. See if I can get my. Yeah, there we go. There you go. I've got them on right now in my Hey Dudes. But anyway, so yeah, I love these socks. They're very comfortable, and who doesn't like comfort, right? These, I tell you what, these things are nice. Let me get you at a different angle. So I really liked the Vim when I picked them up. The Nico were pretty decent pliers, well made. A few little odds and ends that wasn't exactly right, but man, they would work. But these, they're a step above, and it's hard to explain without actually feeling them and using them. But I'll go through a few things with you. First of all, they're thicker. Okay? Second of all, the machining on them is just excellent. I really like it. And look at this. See how this is, I can't explain it. Very nice. The handles are nice and squishy. They feel good in the hand. This is just a nice pair. Plus, they add a cutter here and a cutter here. So you'll get 2 different types of leverage on whatever you're cutting. And I would imagine having the cutter here and the strippers close would make it a little convenient for some stuff. If I'm comparing them to these, which are very nice, let me wipe them off, because you know they're all smudged up and it makes them look not as good. When in all reality, these Vim are a very nice looking tool. And as a matter of fact, they're well made. I don't know what the differences is and how much better one will perform over the other when I do a test. And I'm still not sure how I'm going to do it. But you can look and just see some of the differences. So where this one has a nut, screw and nut, this one is fully peened, okay, front and back. You can see all this machining right here. Well, on this one, I think it was pretty much just formed and left to be that way. And you can sort of see the tooling marks right here and right in here. You can see tooling marks. And when those tooling marks are there, that means that was pretty much the last of it. These Nikos have the same exact tooling marks, okay? Same exact tooling marks. Tells me they were made, at least the steel was pressed out of the same machine or very similar machine. These, so they have actually machined this after being stamped, okay? They were then machined. The jaws on them are thicker, and I would say they're very comparable, other than the fact that they're thicker. Look at how much wider the snap-on open up. I don't know if that's a big deal or not, but it might make a difference when you're getting into an area. I hate comparing these to each other because I like them both, but when I picked these snap-on up, I was like very surprised at the attention to detail. Now, I'm gonna give you my negatives, and it hasn't done it yet, and I can't guarantee it's gonna do it, but so far, everything I've got with this finish rusts, okay? I don't like that. I don't like it at all. The second thing is, even though they did some finishing right here, they left it sort of unfinished here, and here. Just a quick hit on a grinder would have been pretty good. A lot of times, it looks like this would have went in some type of a tumbler prior to being machined. And that and another process probably gives it this coating or this finish right here, satin finish. But I can't be sure without going in there and seeing it. I understand manufacturing a pretty decent amount, and I understand what some of the stuff goes through to be made. I've worked in steel fabrication shops and just the different machines. You can tell what one does. I've worked with presses and punches and welders and lathes and you name it, I've done it. Shears, well, I haven't done it all, but you get what I'm saying. Let me back y'all up. Okay, I want you to understand I thoroughly retract that statement about I've done it all, because I haven't. I'm not nowhere near a know-it-all, and I know I don't know it all. But I like these. They didn't cost me $60. But you'll have to get with your own Snap-on person to get pricing on them over, that's different than the website. These are, I forget, mid-30s or something. Very nice. But these are almost a different tool. They're made so different. So, time will tell which one's better. I can almost guarantee this one's not going, the VIM is not going to rust. But I can't guarantee anything about the Snap-on until I've had it for a minute. And maybe if I keep it wiped down, it'll be okay. Having the tools that I have, it's hard to use everything that I've got and keep using it. But other than that, if you got any other questions or things that you would like me to test, these against, because we want to figure out what's the most practical pair to own, what's the best pair to own, and just see if any of them will suit your needs according to what you're doing. I don't know. Just straight up, before I do any test, if you're a homeowner or whatever, these would suit your needs. Just a casual do-it-yourself, these Nico would probably suit your needs for anything you want to do. For a mechanic, semi-pro, someone does it at the house, maybe even a beginner starting out, maybe even working in a car audio shop, stuff like that, I believe these Vim would work out just fine. If you want the luxury of a nice warranty and someone that comes by your shop and takes care of you with their tools, and plus a tool that's just a little bit better made, Snap-on will probably be your best bet. Other than that, there's only going to be, I believe, that fit and finish is going to be, some of your differences. And like I pointed out on these Nico, they're a little offset. The Snap-on, I didn't even look at that. They're not offset. The jaws don't lock into each other like the Vim, but they're perfect. I don't know if that locking into each other is on purpose or not. So it's just a few things. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all coming out here and hanging out in the garage with me today. Please remember to share this video, like it, and hey, tell your friends about me. Let them know, hey, go over there and watch Jethro's Garage. He's a pretty decent old guy. Maybe, hopefully, I don't know. Thank y'all. Y'all take care. Have a great week, and be blessed.